Hello everyone, welcome to Data Engineers Academy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create and use a Google Cloud Storage signed URL. The main objective of this is to securely provide temporary access to an object stored in a private Google Cloud Storage bucket. To achieve this, I first need to configure the required service account, IAM permissions and cloud storage bucket. Google Cloud Storage. In that, I open the Google Cloud console. Here I am select my Google Cloud project. For that, I give a command like that. Click enter. You can see your project. From the console, I navigate to IAM and admin. In that, service accounts. Service accounts are identities used by applications and services to authenticate with Google Cloud. So now I select create service account. For the service account name, I am using signed_URL_demo2. Here Google Cloud automatically generate the corresponding service account ID and email address. Now I need to assign the required permission to the service account. In the permission section, I select storage object viewer. This role provides permission to view objects stored in cloud storage. For this demonstration, this permission allows the service account to access the objects that we will work with. After selecting the role, I click continue and complete the service account creation. Now I return to the service account page. Here I can see the newly created signed_URL_demo2 service account. I can also see other service accounts that already exist in the project, and I will use the appropriate service account for the signed URL signing process in the next part. Next, I open Cloud Shell. Here I configure the IAM permission required for service account. So here the important role is Service Account Token Creator. This role allows the specified identity to create credential or sign request on behalf of the service account. This permission is important when generating signed URLs using service account. Next, I configure access to the cloud storage bucket. Now I move to cloud storage and select create bucket. For the bucket name, I use signed_URL_demo2. The bucket name needs to be globally unique. I keep the appropriate storage configuration and use the required access control settings. The important point is that I am keeping the bucket protected rather than making the data publicly accessible. So the bucket created successfully. After creating the bucket, I navigate to the Cloud Shell, and here I am checking my bucket and all the access is granted or not. After checking all the permissions, I use the nano editor to create a file called customer.json file. Inside this JSON file, I add sample customer information. The data contains fields such as customer ID, name, city, course and status. I have added multiple sample customer records for this demonstration. The JSON file is only sample data that I am using to demonstrate access to a private cloud storage object. After entering the data, I save the file and exit Nano. For uploading the file, I verify the contents using cat customers.json command. Now I can confirm that the file has been created correctly. Next, I upload the file to the bucket created in the previous. Next, I use this command. The command copies the JSON file into the bucket. After the command complete, the file is stored in cloud storage. Now I verify that the file exists inside the bucket or not. For that, I am using this command. This confirms that the object has been successfully uploaded. After that, now we reach the main objective of this entire demonstration. The command in my demonstration is structured like this. Here is what each part means. Google Cloud Storage sign-URL is the command used to generate a signed URL. And next, duration equals to 10 minutes. That means the signed URL is configured to be valid for 10 minutes. So you can see here the signed URL is existed. Click on that. So this is the process for the signed URL using the Google Cloud Storage.